Hey guys, welcome to allTasksTV. Today, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the customer portal. Whether you're an existing customer or a company looking to onboard with allTasksIT, we think this video is going to be great for you. First of all, I'm going to show you how to sign into the customer portal. Firstly, we've got Microsoft Single Sign-On. Tap on this one. This will bring you to the Microsoft login page. I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to tap. This will then bring you to our landing page. On the landing page, we have the option to log a ticket. Here, you've got all of these different problems that you can choose if you're looking to log a ticket with us at allTasks. But back to the landing page, we've got the requested service. Here is where you can do your user onboardings, offboardings, and new device requests. We'll go back to the landing page again. Another useful one is the allTasksTV YouTube channel, where we're going to be doing a whole bunch of new content in 2025, so stay tuned. That's all for today, but if you want to give us a like and subscribe, that'd be great. Thanks guys.